If you're thinking about selling your home, your kitchen is the #1 space that can make or break the sale. But not every upgrade is worth your money. Today I'll show you exactly where to invest in your kitchen so buyers fall in love and you sell faster. One of the biggest things I always recommend if you're trying to save on a budget and you just want that house gone, you could repaint your cabinets. Painting your cabinets is always a good option. Give it that fresh look. Another thing that's very popular nowadays is like a reface. You basically just kind of get rid of the old doors, put up new doors, have your painter paint everything. I would definitely paint the inside, kind of make it look real nice. A lot of these older homes, their cabinets on the inside have this not ugly brown look. So have your painter paint the inside and then just give a fresh coat of paint on your doors. Another thing that really will help you out too is changing out the hardware. It's simple and easy. Just make sure you have the correct sizes for your hardware and just go ahead and change it out. You can pick up hardware at your local box store, go to a hardware store, pick up, see what they have, and just give it a complete different look. Something that I would do in this kitchen behind me if I was, wanted to sell it, I would definitely change these out, maybe go with a nice black handle and keep them white. White is always the best color you want to do in your kitchen. White kitchens actually sell. They sell very well. It's basically timeless. So if you're trying to sell that kitchen and you're trying to sell that house, go with a basic paint. Another thing that actually helps out too, if you just want to save a low budget, change out your countertops. Some of these old houses have old tile on there. People don't want to be cleaning grout on there. Go ahead and get yourself a countertop. What's very popular are prefab countertops. You could go ahead and just rip out your countertop, get a prefab countertop. You're going to save a lot of money on that as opposed to buying a big old slab and having it fabricated. The prefab countertops already come in a specific size, and all you have to do is just make sure you have a fabricator that can cut it, install it for you, and you're ready to go. Before you start planning, grab our free resource, Ultimate Kitchen Cabinet Renovation Guide. What's best for your budget? It shows you exactly what to expect at different price points, from budget-friendly to high-end custom, so you can make smart choices that actually pay off when you sell. Here's another thing that actually works. If you want to make the kitchen look even nicer and you're just like, hey, I just want to spruce it up just to get that sell, add some under-counter lighting. Get the basic lighting where it's just little puck lights. You just put them on there, drop the wire, connect it, and it makes a big difference. It kind of lights up the kitchen and it looks amazing. The last tip I got for you guys, if you guys are just trying to quickly sell that house and you're trying to make sure the kitchen, because the kitchen does sell the house, upgrade the appliances. Go ahead and slide in some new appliances in there. It won't cost you much. Just get that bundle deal. Go to like the box stores and buy the bundle deal with the stove, the refrigerator, and the microwave. Hey, see if you can get the dishwasher in there. So quick upgrade, put some nice appliances, go with the stainless steel look, easy, and upgrade the kitchen extremely quick, and hopefully that will sell your kitchen. Or what we're trying to sell is we're trying to sell the house. The kitchen does sell the house. If you want more tips that will help your kitchen stand out, watch our video on the 5 things that most people regret not adding to their kitchen remodel. It could make all the difference in your renovation and resale value. I'll link it right here, and I'll see you there.